Little storyteller.
Maya was a little girl with bright, sparkly eyes and a giggle like tinkling bells. She had a very special secret. Every time she went ACHOO, she zipped through time. Sometimes just a little bit, like when she was trying to catch her fluffy white bunny, Snowdrop, in the sunny green garden. Maya giggled, reaching for Snowdrop. "I'm going to get you," she said. ACHOO! Suddenly the sun looked a little lower in the sky. Snowdrop was further away, nibbling on a juicy clover. Maya had sneezed a few minutes into the past. "Oh dear," she chuckled. "Now I have to catch you all over again." The next day, Maya was playing tag with her best friend, Leo, in the park. Leo had curly brown hair and a smile that could light up a room. The park was full of colorful flowers and tall, leafy trees. "You can't catch me," Leo shouted, running towards a bright red slide. Maya chased after him, her pigtails bouncing. Just as she was about to tag Leo, ACHOO, the slide looked a little bit closer. Leo was just starting to climb the ladder, looking surprised. Maya had sneezed a few minutes into the future. "Whoa," said Leo. "How did you get there so fast?" Maya giggled. "It's my secret speedy moves." Later Maya and Leo were building a tall tower of colorful blocks. Leo carefully placed a blue block on top. "Almost finished," he said proudly. ACHOO! Oh no, the tower looked a little shorter. A yellow block was missing from the middle. Maya had sneezed into the past. Before they had placed that block, Leo looked confused. "Where did that block go?" Maya pointed at the yellow block on the floor. "Maybe it fell off," she suggested. They both giggled and put the yellow block back. Working together, they carefully finished their tall, wobbly tower. As the sun began to set, painting the sky with orange and pink, Maya and Leo sat on a soft green bench. "Playing with you is always an adventure," said Leo. Maya smiled. Even though her sneezes made things a little unpredictable, she knew having a good friend like Leo made every moment fun. Sometimes, unexpected things can lead to funny surprises, and working together with friends can solve any little problem.
Please subscribe. Thank you.